A MoneyLion verification failure usually means the app couldn't verify your identity, confirm your personal information, or successfully connect your bank account. Once you identify which step is failing, the fix is usually straightforward. By the end, you'll know the most common causes of MoneyLion verification errors and the steps that typically resolve them. Start by reviewing your personal information. Check that your legal name, date of birth, phone number, email address, and home address exactly match your official records. Even a small typo, a missing middle name if required, or an outdated phone number can stop the verification process. Next, verify your bank account connection. Use an active checking account that supports online banking. Enter your banking credentials carefully and complete any security prompts from your bank. If the connection fails, remove the linked account. Close the MoneyLion app completely, reopen it, and connect the account again. Now check your phone verification. If MoneyLion sends a one-time verification code, make sure your device can receive SMS messages. Avoid requesting multiple codes in quick succession, because each new request can invalidate the previous one. Wait a few minutes, request another code, and enter the newest one immediately. Your internet connection can also affect verification. Switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data before trying again. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily, because additional network security can sometimes interfere with account verification. Next, update the app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install the latest version of MoneyLion. App updates frequently include fixes for login, identity verification, and bank connection issues. If MoneyLion asks you to upload identification documents, take clear photos in good lighting. Make sure the entire document is visible, and all text is readable. Blurry, dark, or cropped images can cause automated verification to fail. If you've already submitted your documents, avoid uploading them repeatedly, unless MoneyLion specifically requests another submission. Multiple uploads usually don't speed up the review process and may create unnecessary delays. If everything looks correct but verification still fails, the issue could be related to temporary server maintenance or a service interruption. Waiting a little while before trying again often resolves problems that aren't caused by your account. If the error continues after completing these steps, contact MoneyLion support through the app. They can review your account, identify the exact reason verification is failing, and let you know if any additional information is needed. To recap, verify your personal details. Reconnect your supported bank account. Use a stable internet connection. Update the app. Upload clear identification if requested. And contact MoneyLion support if the issue persists. If this guide helped you fix your MoneyLion verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and financial app tutorials.